So hello friends, and today we will test the transistor value, whether transistor in working mode or it is damaged. So we will check the transistor parameters. Okay, so I let you tell this is 2N3055 transistor. It is generally called the power transistor, generally used in power supply, high voltage, high current. You might have seen this transistor connected in the backside of power supply, a flat power supply, yeah, other company's power supply. So generally this transistor is used. So it is 15 ampere transistor and collector to emitter voltage around 100 volt. You can check the other features of this transistor in the datasheet of this. So today we will check the transistor base emitter collector value. So how to check the transistor if it is in working mode or it is in damage mode. So this transistor, this part, all body is collector, and if you just reverse, just catch it in the right direction, and this side you will get the, in the below, in the bottom you will get the base lead, and this side you will get the emitter lead. Like this, you just flip it. So this is emitter and this is base. So here we will check all 4 transistor. So we just reverse it. So this is base and this is emitter and its body is collector. So this is NPN transistor as I told earlier, and to test the NPN transistor, set the multimeter at the diode range. This is diode range, you can see here symbol, and NPN transistor is check with the lead reed put on the base and black lead at the collector and emitter alternative. Like this, put the black at the body collector and red on the base. So you will get some value. So it is showing 0.529 value. So we note down this reading, 529 collector. This is collector reading. Okay, and emitter reading is, put the red at the same base and black at the emitter. So it is showing 0.536 emitter. Okay, now we check the another, this one. We have to pay attention on emitter and base, especially here. So base is here and it is showing collector value, base to collector 0.536 and collector to base 0.542. Okay, now we check another one. Here is base, so flip just it like this. So collector first 0.534 and emitter is 0.540. Okay, now we check last one. This is base, so base to collector 0.531 and emitter to base you can say base to ammeter 0.538. 0.538. So in this condition you will get this ring by the base to collector and base to ammeter. Okay, like this, here first here then here. Okay, it will be stable here. In the another way, if we put these lead changing black here at the base and red at the collector, so it will show the open value, it will not show anything. Okay, if we put the at ammeter, it will not show anything. Okay, and if we put the red at the collector and black out on the ammeter, it will not show anything, it will not show anything. Same if we exchange black on collector and red on ammeter, it will not show anything. So in this condition the transistor is in working mode, it is in working condition, it is okay. So only base to collector it will show like this, and base to ammeter it will show like this value, and this value may change. It is also depend on manufacturer, it may change 0.5, don't care, don't, maybe something xx value may be something up to 0.7 like this. It is also depend on manufacturer, but collector to ammeter difference will be only 0.00657 something like this. Here you can change, you can see the difference. This is collector value 0.529 and here 0.536. So what is the difference? 0.007 difference. Here you can see 0.537, 0.542. So what is the difference? 0.005, 0.534, here 0.06, 0.531, 0.538, 0.007. So you will get the transistor value difference between ammeter and collector this, and ammeter value always more than the collector value. Always in any manufacturer you will get the ammeter value in the terms of this. It may be 0.007, it may be 0.005 more. So this last two digit will change, it will be same point, near point digit will be same. Yeah, it may be also change if you value 0.696 something like this. So collector value may be 0.701 or 0.702 something. Okay, so difference will be like this: 0.7, 0.4, 0.7 maybe 4, 0.007 maybe, it may be 8 also, it may be 9 also, or it may be 5, 6 something. So always you will get this type of difference. And how we will know if transistor is damaged? If transistor is damaged, so transistor first these value will not show in this condition. It may be show 0.12, start from 0.1 or 0.2 and something like this, something other value like this, 3, 4, 5 something like this, and it will not show something open value in the collector or ammeter. Okay, it may show the first condition may be short. Okay, mostly transistor in the damage condition in 90 and 80% cases it may be either short or it may be either open, and in the third condition these reading may be wrong, it may be high, it may be low. In most condition low. Okay, 0.12 something, 0.2 something like this. Okay, and another things, in other reading, if we put the here and here something, so it will always will not show open, it will show something short or open, maybe show open. If a transistor is open, it may be show open, but if it is showing in this condition, because it is PNP NPN transistor, so always red lead, if you put on the base, so it will show like this reading at the base and emitter, collector and emitter. But if you put the black lead, so it should show the open at the emitter and collector. If it is showing some value, so it may be damaged. Okay, it is not in the right condition. So it is the way to find out whether the transistor is good condition or in damaged condition. So I hope you got my video, and if you got my video, please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon for the next video. And I tell you, some student is confused, some student gets confused what is the cost of this transistor. So I will tell you that you can see also Mauser and DigiKey site what is the cost of this transistor. And in the market rate, I think I purchased this 50 rupees per transistor. It is something costly. This is 3055 4 piece 200 rupees, so 50 rupees per transistor. But I saw also at the Amazon these for 5 transistor at 90 rupees, but it was also charging some 100 or 90 rupees for the delivery charge. So online you also purchase this transistor, and in the electronics market you also purchase these transistors, you will get. And this type of transistor is 1.5 rupees only per piece, 1.5 rupees. I purchased this 10 transistor NPN transistor in just 15 rupees, 10 pieces. So it is very cheap. So I hope you got this video, and please like and subscribe my video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.